Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you one of the most exciting and easiest way to enter data. The conventional way we all know is to enter our data into each and every one of our cells. However, today we won't be doing this. So what you just need to do is to highlight each of your headers, and type Alt D O O. You see this pop up here and you click on OK. So we can see now that we have a form that shows our headers. So from this form we'll enter our data one after the other. So serial number, you use tab to switch between each of your headers. So type in mail, country, USA, department, audit, task, tax 1, status, completed. And that's all. You click on enter to save it. You can see that it has popped up in our it has populated in our sheet. So type in this for the second one, second row. So let's say as we are typing in our data here, we now realize that on the first row we made a mistake. So click on enter, then you go previous, and come back to the first row. So let's say the name is supposed to be Tang. So I've corrected it and I will save by clicking enter. So it has taken me back to sheet 2, and I'll continue row 2, and I'll continue with my entries. To ongoing. It's easy as that. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Bye.